ClickUp is a versatile project management tool that can be highly effective for project planning. Its customizable nature allows teams to tailor it to their specific needs and workflows. This video will guide you through the process of using ClickUp for project planning, providing practical steps and tips, understanding the importance of project planning. Before diving into ClickUp, it's crucial to understand why project planning is essential. A well-defined project plan serves as a roadmap, providing clarity, direction, and structure. It helps teams define scope, clearly outline project goals, deliverables, and boundaries, establish timelines, create a realistic schedule with milestones and deadlines, allocate resources, determine the necessary resources, human, financial, etc., and assign them effectively. Identify risks, anticipate potential challenges, and develop mitigation strategies. Improve communication, facilitate clear communication and collaboration among stakeholders. Track progress, monitor project progress and ensure it stays on track. Getting started with ClickUp. Sign up and set up your workspace. If you haven't already, sign up for a ClickUp account. Create a workspace for your organization or team. This is the highest level of organization in ClickUp. Understand ClickUp's hierarchy. ClickUp is organized into a hierarchy: workspace, spaces, folders, lists, tasks. Workspace, the overall container for your organization. Spaces, used to group related projects or departments. Folders, optional containers within spaces to further organize lists. Lists, where you create and manage your tasks. Tasks, the individual items that need to be completed. Planning your project in ClickUp. Define your project goals and objectives. Clearly define what you want to achieve with your project. Use the SMART framework to ensure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. In ClickUp, you can use the Goals feature to set and track high-level objectives. Create a space for your project. Create a new space in ClickUp to house all the elements of your project. Give it a descriptive name, e.g., marketing campaign, software development project. Customize the space settings as needed. Organize with folders and lists. Within your space, use folders and lists to organize your project further. Folders can be used to group related lists, e.g., by project phase or department. Lists are where you'll create and manage your tasks. Example: for a marketing campaign, you might have folders for content creation, promotion, and analytics, with lists for blog posts, social media, and email marketing within them. Create tasks and subtasks. In your lists, create tasks for each project activity. Break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable subtasks. Use clear and concise task names. Add detailed descriptions to provide context and instructions. Set task attributes. Assign tasks to team members responsible for completing them. Set due dates and start dates to establish a timeline. Prioritize tasks using priority levels, e.g., high, medium, low. Define task statuses to track progress, e.g., to do, in progress, completed. Use tags to categorize tasks, e.g., by department, client, or topic. Add custom fields to capture specific information relevant to your project, e.g., budget, client, or stage. Establish dependencies. Use task dependencies to define the order in which tasks need to be completed. ClickUp supports different types of dependencies, e.g., finish to start, start to start. Dependencies help ensure that tasks are completed in the correct sequence and that timelines are accurate. Visualize your project with views. ClickUp offers various views to visualize your project. List view, a basic list of tasks, ideal for detailed information. Board view, a Kanban-style board for visualizing workflow. Gantt chart view, a timeline view for visualizing project schedule and dependencies. Calendar view, a calendar view for seeing tasks and deadlines in a calendar format. Timeline view, visualize tasks across a timeline, similar to a Gantt chart but more flexible. Choose the views that best suit your planning needs and preferences. Plan and manage resources, Use ClickUp to track and manage project resources. Assign tasks to team members to allocate their time. Estimate the time required for each task. Use ClickUp's workload view to visualize team capacity and prevent overallocation. If you have a budget, you can use custom fields or integrations to track expenses. Identify and manage risks. During the planning phase, identify potential risks that could impact your project. Create tasks or documents in ClickUp to track risks, their likelihood, and potential impact. Develop mitigation strategies to address each risk. Regularly review and update the risk management plan throughout the project lifecycle. Set up communication and collaboration. ClickUp facilitates team communication and collaboration. Use task comments to discuss specific tasks and provide updates. Use @mentions to notify team members of important information. Create ClickUp docs to store project documentation, meeting notes, and other important information. Integrate ClickUp with communication tools like Slack to streamline communication. Establish reporting and monitoring. Determine how you will track and monitor project progress. Use ClickUp's dashboards to create visual reports and track key metrics. Set up automated reports to receive regular updates on project status. Use ClickUp's reporting features to monitor team performance and identify any bottlenecks. Regularly review and adjust. Project plans are not static. They should be regularly reviewed and adjusted as needed. Schedule regular project meetings to discuss progress, address issues, and update the plan. Use ClickUp to track changes and ensure that everyone is working with the most up-to-date information. Tips for effective project planning in ClickUp. Use templates. ClickUp offers a variety of templates that can help you quickly set up your project plan. Customize everything. Take advantage of ClickUp's customization options to tailor the platform to your specific project needs. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate your project plan. Focus on the essential elements and keep it easy to understand and follow. Communicate regularly. Communicate with your team and stakeholders regularly to keep everyone informed and aligned. Be flexible. Be prepared to adjust your plan as needed. Projects rarely go exactly as planned, so flexibility is key.